What's up everyone, in this video we will try our 120 FPS in game loop using Call of Duty Mobile. So all things are set, we don't have to change anything, we just going to run this game. To check the result you can check the FPS from here. So let's start. I am playing solo.
Yo, just ready for upgrade. Welcome to Alcatraz. The match is about to start.
You can see it is hitting 120 FPS.
Yo, chips ready for upgrade.
It is also depending on many things. You can see we are hitting on 55 to 56. It's dependent on your internet connection and also the player and bot movements. If you're using the HD resources it can hit up to 50 to 100, but if you're using the low graphics resource pack it will definitely give you 120 stable. Also notice that if you are far away, it will just drop the FPS.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety. Airdrop. Two teams left. Getting close to victory.
As you can see, we are stable at 120 FPS, means this is the flat screen, so this is a static image, so that's why it's 120. Sometime it getting stable, sometime it just fluctuated, as you can see. So it's now 5 to 1. It depends on also the picture, so it does not matter that you have the wrong information about the FPS count basically. So how you can achieve that? To achieve that, you just simply need to copy paste the entire folder files. You can see the file folder is included all the HD resources, maps, everything like weapons, cameo, and everything that you have an entire game market. It around like 45.9 GB around this file size. So you just simply need to copy paste to any folder and you can easily run this game. So you also need to registration on the activation key of the your ID. That's all, and you are good to go because everything patched and you can get the 120 FPS fluently, so there is no limitation. I hope you like this video. If you do, subscribe, notification, and keep support us for more videos. So if you need this file, link in description, you can go there and download the drive link, which contain like 45 gigabyte of full files. You just need to unzip and place it anywhere your SD card, I mean SSD, solid state drive, anywhere. Make sure those drive has enough space to run this game. I have 200 GB left, so I can play there. So check that also. Okay, thank you for watching.